Moving on to the cherry on the pie of the detail. We're going to apply ceramic coating. This is the kit that's going on top of the Porsche. Sam in combination with HPC. Basic requirements: a pair of gloves, air raid protection, any kind that's suitable to handle these kinds of products. We're going to use the airbrush system to apply HPC in some of the trims. I got a card right here to put on the date when the ceramic was applied. Some micro suedes, microfiber towel and an applicator block.
With the ceramics of Labocosmetica, we have focused on nanotechnology that fills in the gaps inside the paint, creating a layer that has the properties of self-cleaning due to the high beading of the product itself. The beading enhances the rollover drop of water running down the surface, taking with it any forms of contamination, giving the idea of the self-cleaning effect.
For the trims on the outside of the car, we're going to use Hydra. This product can be diluted to get the finish you would like. You can even reapply to even enlarge the brightness of the product itself. Only thing we need is some Hydra, a microfiber towel and a microfiber pad. To finalize the protection of the windows, we're going to apply Aqua Velux that helps the visibility during rain.
Beading and sheeting. When we talk about beads, we talk about water drops in the form of beads. Small, circular, most perfect beads on top of the surface, giving a visualization of a car that is truly protected, and then giving that self-cleaning effect. When beading drops into sheeting, where you will see a sheet of water moving from the surface, it's in fact a diminishing form of protection. When there is beading, the protection is at maximum. When there is sheeting, the protection is going down. The self-cleaning effect is created by this hydrophobic beading. The drops have little ease rolling down the surface, taking down any form of dirt with them downsize, giving the idea of the self-cleaning effect.
So, we've reached the end of the detail. It has been an amazing week. I would like to thank Labocosmetica for setting their studio. I want to thank the camera crew, Fabio, everybody at Mafra. My name is Reggy Cox. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.